The Super Bowl is a great example of how awesome the United States is. And Twitter is a great way for us to mock it all and make obscure pop culture references. Here's some of the best Super Bowl tweets that I've seen. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones, or Buzz60. You probably noticed a change in the room when Beyonce came out for the halftime show. Highlighted by Erin Long, who tweeted that it was her turn to tell her husband to shut up. The blackout was a great time for sarcastic tweets to shine. Everyone was wondering what caused the blackout, but Modern Seinfeld suggested that Kramer was lost in the Superdome and had tripped up the lights. That's gold, Jerry, gold. Another suggestion was made by John Weisman, who suggested that the guy from Airplane was the cause. And of course, there were Katrina references. John Fritchie tweeted, "Change of pace, rich people stuck in the Superdome in a crisis." Oreo killed it by tweeting out this ad in absolutely no time. Even faster than it took Jim Harbaugh to blame the refs in the post-game presser. Maybe that's why Brian Sprema tweeted that, "I bet Jim Harbaugh used to turn off the Nintendo when his brother was winning Tecmo Bowl. That's the worst." Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.